We are here in the Jebel one labor camp. We have one STP plant here. This is our STP. Actually, it was a MBBR plant, and then the customer running for some years, but not good function. Stopped for many years. We have changed to our MBR system. This system, it is together with MBR plus RO. We go inside to see our system. This is Almasa MBR. This is the other MBR plant. This is our 2 MBR tanks. We will see the MBR water. This is the MBR water. We will see this. Yeah. This is the MBR output water. Say alhamdulillah. Yeah, this is the MBR production water. It's good, no smell. You see? And then after we will take some RO water. We will go there to see the RO plant. This is RO pluses. See? You will see this water good or no good. Oh, very good. You see? After I will check. Very good water. MBR plus RO. Okay, I will see this water, maybe drinkable. Okay, I check the water good or good. Alhamdulillah, good water. This one, the labor camp, previously they pay around 300 dirhams per tanker to to dispose of the sewage water. Now, we make MBR for them. After this RO water, they can sell the water. They can sell 120 or 200 water. So there are 500 difference. Before they pay 300 dirhams, remove the water. Now, the other company take the tanker, buy water from them. They pay them 200 dirhams, like that. Alhamdulillah, very good. It's running for 3 years already. It looks not good, but performance very good.